thought I'd make a video of the famous twin bridges. We're headed north from Henderson, Kentucky to Evansville. This is a sign when you see these bridges that you're almost on. We've been on a big trip to Walmart. We like the Henderson Walmart better when we have to go to Walmart. And these go right over in the pretty big portion of the river right here. So if you're getting sick at your stomach, we are too. A lot of traffic coming off the bridge today. There you go. That was your trip across the Ohio River on the twin bridges. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.